guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Blendbunny Cosmetics. I am a couple of weeks late opening this, but I am opening it now, and we are going to use something that's in this box or bag. So if you'd like to see what I bought from the latest launch, then just keep on watching. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do tutorials, unboxings, techniques, reviews, and some skincare. Anything to do with makeup and beauty, I'm your girl. So if you have not already subscribed to this channel and that's something that you like, please subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a notification or upload. Now let's get into this unboxing. So guys, if you have been here, sorry my ears itching. If you have not been here, introduce you to Blendbunny Cosmetics if you do not know. Blendbunny Cosmetics, she was a influencer turned brand owner. She is the one responsible for making this incredible palette called the Blends palette. And this is the Blends palette. Mine is well used, but I just dip in just a little bit. And then her second release was the Surge palette. And this is the Surge palette. And it does have some neon liners that you can use. And then the third release was the brushes, which I do have. Brushes. There's 5 of them. So she made a line of makeup brushes, which I do have. And then the fourth release was the Dollhouse palette. And this is the gorgeous Dollhouse palette. And let me tell you something, her formula is impeccable. It is amazing. It blends. A child could blend out these colors. And I know you're probably thinking, a kid? Yes. They are that easy to blend, let me tell you. So if you like mattes that are pigmented as can be, but blend out wonderfully, you need to check out Blendbunny Cosmetics, because she is an up-and-coming brand, and guys, she is growing something fierce, and she is amazing. She's an amazing artist, amazing brand owner. Maggie is just so wonderful. She's so sweet. I love her to death. And she has released lashes. And you guys know I love lashes, and I had to get me some and see what they were about, because knowing Maggie, they are amazing. So I bought 4 pairs. Now with her lashes, she had one set that was like more normal lashes, a little bit, you know, flary, and then she had another set that was real flary. So I bought 3 of one and 1 of the other. I should have bought more, and I will, but I was trying to be on a no-buy, so while I was down, I didn't think I needed to be buying a bunch of makeup when I wasn't able to come back here and review it. So the one set that is more normal is called Virtue. And the next set that is real flary is called Vices. So we're going to open these up, see what they look like, and we're going to put on a pair. And you can save 10% off of your purchase if you use my code BelindaMua, and I'll put it right here across the screen, and I will link her below in the description. Okay, so this first set is wings. They do come in a cardboard box and then a plastic holder to keep your lashes in place. I like that. So this is wings. Look how gorgeous. Ooh, I like those. Now, whichever pair I like the most, I am definitely going back and buying some more. The next set is Darling. And this is Darling. You can see the little wispies. I like those too. Okay, this next set is called Pure. I love the little Blendbunny logo on the inside. This is Pure. Ooh, I like these too. These are fluffy. I like that. Ooh, I don't know which pair I'm going to put on. I really like these Pure. And the last pair is Vices. And these were all Virtues. So this is the Vices pair. And this is Center. I'll eventually get one of each pair. And probably some extra of the ones that I like the most. Ooh! Those are some big ones. This is Center. Look at that. Those are some big lashes. I like those. Look like they're going to fly away. Those are so pretty. Oh, and they're nice and soft. I think I'm going to put on Pure. It's between Pure and Wings. I think those two are my favorite. Let's do Pure. That's the set we're going to put on. Okay, so with any lash, the best thing to do before you start applying glue or anything like that is to measure your lashes to see if you need to cut any off. And I always bend my lash. Just kind of give it a bend there so your lash will lay across your lashes, your lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how much, if any, I need to take off. Oh God, those are gorgeous. I don't think I need to take off any. I might take just off the tip. Do you see that pointy tip right there? I might take just a little bit off of that. Other than that, I'm not going to take any off. Just a pinch. See? And just a pinch off the front. Alrighty. Now we are going to put on our lash glue, and I like the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I have several lash videos on my channel, and they are in a playlist. I need to go through my playlist and fix it up a little bit better though. So I just like to put a coat of lash glue on my lash band, and then you wait 30 seconds for it to get tacky, and then you apply it to your lashes or your lash line. You can blow, you can, or I like to take a fan and I just like to run it for 10 seconds across the lash band. It can get tacky and then it'll be ready. Usually it's ready as soon as I get done doing that. So now we're going to apply the lash. And I like to look into my mirror, close my eye. I like to get the middle first, the end, and then the inner part next. And then I just kind of hold it in place for a second. It's already tacky, so it's in place, but I like to hold it. Those are, Maggie, these are so pretty. Oh my God, I'm in love. I am so in love. These are so stunning. Oh, I love these. What do y'all think? Oh, aren't they so beautiful? They're so fluffy. Like, oh my God, they're just so beautiful. Look how different my eyes look with just a set of lashes. Make the look, honey. They make the look. And we're going to take our little fan. I think this is a quicker way. And you can get this fan at Amazon. It's on my Amazon storefront if you'd like to go get one. Under $10. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab me some mascara. And I did use my Merit Beauty, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. I don't put it on my fake lashes, okay? Don't put, if you want your lashes to last, don't put mascara on them. So all I do is I go up where my lashes are, my real lashes, and I just kind of put a thin layer on my lashes and push up. That's all I do. And they just kind of grab a hold. Then you can take your lash tool after you put a fresh coat of mascara on, and you can press your lashes into the falsies like so, and press up. That way your lashes are kind of meshed with your falsies. Oh, I love them. Tell me what you guys think of these. I love them. I love them. I love them. I think my next favorite would probably be Wings. Between this pair and those, I definitely need to go back and get another pair. Now, I'm not going to try on every single pair, but I wanted to show them to you. Tell me down in the comments, were you now Virtues from Vices, would you be more of a Vices girl or a Virtue girl? Virtue is more normal lashes, like, you know, normal size lashes. Vices is more long and luxurious lashes. I am definitely a Virtues girl. But I do think that certain looks call for Vices. And I am going to get a few more pair of the Vices and a few more pair of the Virtues. But tell me which pair was your favorite. Again, this one is Pure. Oh my God, I just love them. This is Wings. This one is Darling. And these are the Vices in Center. So which pair was your favorite? Let me know. Have you shopped from Blendbunny Cosmetics? If you haven't, there is so much for you to choose from. We have 3 palettes, we have the brush set, and now we have the lashes. I am so excited. There is more coming soon. Oh, so much more coming soon. So please make sure you go down in my description box and click on the blendbunnycosmetics.com link that I'm going to leave down there. Go check it out. Show Maggie some love. Buy something from her, because I promise you it is mwah, chef's kiss. It's amazing. Great quality. And again, you can use my code BelindaMua to save 10%. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.